Ready? Occasionally I'm asked, how do I delete a file from OpenBOM design projects? I'm Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM, and I'm going to take you through the process right now. So you can see I've got a couple of files here in my design, O1 and O2, that I mistakenly included in this project, and I want to delete them. So we start off at the project's dashboard for that particular project. And I'm just going to locate those two parts. I see they're up here. I'm just going to set them to exclude. The key to this whole process is using the exclude function here. So I'm going to mark both of those as exclude, return to Workspace Manager, and run my Smart Sync. So what's going to happen here is I'm telling OpenBOM that, hey, remove these two files from the project. Smart Sync runs, Workspace Manager tells me, hey, these two files have been excluded from the project. I'm going to select them all, delete them. I'll get a notice in just a second that the files have been deleted locally. There we go. Return to Workspace Manager to my design dashboard, highlight those two items, remove row, done. Those two files will not show up in your project again. In the event that you're working with multiple users in the project, make sure each of the users smart sync before deleting it from the dashboard. That's it. Love to hear more from you at support@openbom.com.